contains program schedule and bio sketches of resource persons. So big round of applause for this as well. Thank you so much, sir. Now it's time for launch of Unani e-books prepared by National Institute of Indian Medical Heritage, Hyderabad. So I request Sri Sarbanand Sonowal, Honorable Union Cabinet Minister, to do the honors. So first e-book is Al-Qanun fi Tibb, the Canon of Medicine. Al-Qanun fi Tibb was written by legendary Ibn Sina in 1025 AD in Arabic. It is one of the most influential and monumental treatises in Unani medicine, which consists of 5 volumes. It presents a clear and organized summary of all the medical knowledge of the time, and it set the standards for medicine in medieval Europe and was used as a standard medical textbook through the 18th century. So one more ebook which is going to be released is Kamilus Sana'u al-Tibiyat, Encyclopedia of the Art of Medicine. Kamilus Sana'u al-Tibiyat was written by Ali ibn al-Abbas al-Majusi in 980 AD in Arabic. So it is considered one of the 3 greatest reference books on which the Unani medicine is based. It is divided into 2 discrete parts, theoretical and practical. First part consists of 265 chapters and covers theoretical medicine, and the second part has 518 chapters and covers practical medicine. Thank you so much, sir. Now, it's a matter of extreme pleasure to announce the release of CCRUM apps, and I once again request Honorable Union Cabinet Minister Sri Sonowal ji to do the honors. And the first app to be released is Single Unani Drugs. Unani medicine has a rich collection. It is single Unani drugs.